Hey y'all! Welcome to Raise Your Vibration, Transform Your Life with Higher Energy. I'm so glad you're here, ready to embark on this journey with me. We're going to dive into a powerful concept that can truly transform your life from the inside out. Get ready to unlock a world of joy, abundance, and fulfillment just by shifting the energy around you. It's simpler than you might think, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So let's get started on this exciting adventure together. Are you ready to raise your vibration and embrace a life filled with positivity and purpose? Let's do this. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is vibration and why does it matter? Well, my dears, everything in this universe, including you and me, is made up of energy that's constantly vibrating. Yes, you heard that right. From the tiniest atom to the grandest galaxy, everything is in a constant state of motion, emitting unique vibrations. And guess what? Your thoughts, your feelings, your actions, they all give off vibrations too. Think of it like this. Your energy is like a magnet attracting similar energies into your life. So if you're putting out low vibes like fear, doubt, or negativity, you're going to attract more of that same energy back to you. But don't worry, it's not all doom and gloom. Just like a guitar string produces a sound based on its vibration, you, my friend, are constantly emitting an energy frequency. This vibration, whether you realize it or not, plays a big role in shaping your reality. Think about it. Have you ever walked into a room and felt an instant shift in the atmosphere? Maybe it was a heavy, negative energy, or perhaps it was light and joyful. That, my dear, is you picking up on the vibrations present in that space. And just like you can sense the vibrations of others, you're also sending out your own unique vibrational signal into the world. Now, this ain't about judging yourself or feeling bad if you're in a funk sometimes. It's simply about becoming more aware of the energy you're putting out there. So, how do you know what kind of vibes you're giving off? Well, it all boils down to how you feel. Think of your vibration on a scale of 1 to 10, with 1 being the lowest and 10 being the highest. When you're feeling down in the dumps, experiencing negative emotions like fear, anger, or jealousy, you're operating at a lower vibration. On the flip side, when you're feeling joyful, loving, grateful, and full of life, your vibration soars high. It's like tuning a musical instrument. The higher the frequency, the more beautiful the melody. Take a moment to check in with yourself. On a scale of 1 to 10, where do you feel your vibration is right now? Don't overthink it. Just go with your gut feeling. Remember, darling, your feelings are the most direct indicators of your vibration. Each emotion carries a specific vibrational frequency. Love, joy, gratitude, and peace resonate at a high frequency, while fear, anger, guilt, and shame vibrate much lower. It's like each emotion has its own unique sound wave, affecting the energy around you. When you're caught in a spiral of negative emotions, it can feel like you're stuck in a low vibration rut. But don't you worry, sweetheart. There's always a way to shift those vibes and raise your frequency. Just like you wouldn't stay tuned to a radio station you don't enjoy, you have the power to change the channel of your thoughts and feelings. It's about making conscious choices to cultivate more joy, love, and positivity in your life. Now, y'all, let's talk about one of the most powerful tools you have for raising your vibration: meditation. I know what you might be thinking, meditation? That sounds kinda out there. But trust me on this one, honey. It's like giving your mind a spa day. Meditation ain't about emptying your mind completely. It's about quieting down that constant chatter and creating space for peace and clarity. Imagine your mind is like a glass of muddy water. When you meditate, it's like allowing the mud to settle, revealing the crystal clear water beneath. And the best part? Meditation doesn't have to be complicated. You don't need to sit in a pretzel position or chant strange words, unless you want to, of course. Even just 5 minutes of quiet reflection can make a world of difference. So how do you actually meditate? Well, find yourself a comfy spot where you won't be disturbed. Could be your bed, a cozy corner in your house, or even out in nature. Close your eyes gently and turn your attention inwards. Now, focus on your breath. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest as you breathe in and out. Don't try to control your breath, just observe it. It's natural for thoughts to pop up. Just acknowledge them without judgment and gently guide your focus back to your breath. Think of your breath as an anchor, keeping you grounded in the present moment. As you continue to breathe deeply, you might notice that your body starts to relax and your mind feels calmer. That's the magic of meditation, my friend, allowing yourself to simply be. You see, when we hold on to negative thoughts and emotions, it creates energetic blocks within us, lowering our vibration and preventing us from living our best lives. Meditation helps to clear out these blocks, like sweeping away cobwebs from a dusty old attic. As you meditate regularly, you'll start to notice a shift within yourself. You might find that you're more patient, more understanding, and more compassionate towards yourself and others. You'll begin to experience a sense of inner peace that no external circumstance can shake. Now, I know that life can get busy, and it's easy to let meditation slip our minds. But even if you can only spare a few minutes each day, make it a priority. Think of it as a gift you give yourself, a time to reconnect with your true, radiant self. Now, darling, let's talk about the power you hold within you. You're not just a passenger on this journey of life, you're the driver. You have the incredible ability to choose how you want to show up in the world. Even when things seem out of control, you always have a choice. Choose whether you let negativity drag you down or rise above it with grace. Take back your power. You are not defined by your circumstances. Every thought, word, and action shapes your reality. Focus on the good, embrace gratitude, and spread love. Now let's talk about your higher self for a moment. That wise, radiant version of you that already exists within? Yeah, her. She's been there all along, waiting for you to tap into her energy. Your higher self guides you towards a life filled with purpose and love. She knows your potential, even when you doubt yourself. Start by acknowledging her presence and asking for her guidance. Raise your vibration and align with your higher self through visualization. Our minds are powerful tools. Focused thoughts and emotions send out powerful energy signals. It's like planting seeds of intention in our subconscious minds. Find a quiet space to relax and let your imagination soar. Imagine living your dream life. What do you see? What do you feel? Who are you surrounded by? Don't hold back. Step into this vibrant vision of your future. Feel the joy, excitement, and gratitude as if it's already happening. Now let's dive into the fascinating world of beliefs, y'all. You see, our beliefs are like invisible forces that shape our entire reality. They're the lens through which we see the world, influencing our thoughts, our feelings, and our actions. Every single one of us has a set of beliefs, some empowering and some, well, not so much. These beliefs, whether we're conscious of them or not, are constantly sending out vibrations into the universe, attracting experiences that match their frequency. Think of it like this. If you believe deep down that you're worthy of love, abundance, and success, you're more likely to attract those very things into your life. On the flip side, if you're holding on to beliefs of lack, limitation, or unworthiness, you're going to keep bumping into experiences that reflect those beliefs. It's like walking around with a pair of rose-colored glasses or a pair of dark, gloomy ones. The world looks mighty different depending on which pair you choose to wear, doesn't it? Now, I know what you might be thinking. Gabrielle, how do I even know what my beliefs are? They're invisible. Well, honey, the good news is that your beliefs reveal themselves in your everyday life. Just pay attention to your thoughts, your words, and your actions. What stories are you telling yourself? What assumptions are you making about yourself and the world around you? Are you constantly saying things like, I'm not good enough, I'll never be able to afford that, or love always ends in heartbreak? Those, my dear, are clues pointing to limiting beliefs that might be holding you back from experiencing the fullness of life. But don't you worry, sweetheart. Just becoming aware of these beliefs is a huge first step. Once you shine a light on those hidden corners of your mind, you can start to challenge and transform those limiting beliefs into empowering ones. Now, here's where things get really exciting. Quantum physics, that mind-boggling science that studies the tiniest particles in the universe, has shown us that our beliefs actually influence the very fabric of reality. You see, at the subatomic level, energy doesn't behave in a predictable, linear way. Instead, it exists in a state of potential, waiting for an observer, that's you, to collapse it into a specific form. In other words, your observation, your belief, literally influences what manifests in your life. It's like when you're looking for a specific car on the road and suddenly you start seeing it everywhere. It's not that the car magically multiplied, it's that your focused attention brought it into your awareness. So when you consciously choose to change your beliefs, you're essentially making a quantum leap in consciousness, shifting your energy and attracting a whole new set of possibilities into your experience. So how do we actually go about changing those deep-seated beliefs that might be holding us back? Well, sugar, it all starts with awareness. Once you've identified a limiting belief, don't judge yourself for having it. We've all got them. Instead, approach it with curiosity and compassion. Ask yourself, is this belief really true? Does it serve me in any way? Chances are, when you really examine those limiting beliefs, they'll start to crumble under the weight of their own negativity. Now here's the fun part. Reframing. Think of reframing like taking a negative thought and giving it a makeover, Southern Belle style. For example, let's say you catch yourself thinking, I'm not good enough to achieve my dreams. Honey, that's just a thought, not a fact. So let's reframe it to something like, I am worthy and capable of achieving anything I set my mind to. Feel the difference? Now, once you've reframed those limiting beliefs, it's time to replace them with empowering ones. And that, my dears, is where affirmations come in. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself, either out loud or silently, to reprogram your subconscious mind and align with your desired reality. Think of them like little seeds of positivity that you plant in the garden of your mind. The more you water those seeds with repetition and emotion, the more likely they are to blossom into beautiful flowers of manifestation. Now, when you're first starting out with affirmations, it might feel a little strange or even silly. But trust me, the more you do it, the more natural it will become. It's like training a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Choose affirmations that resonate with you, that feel good in your heart, and that reflect the beliefs you want to embody. Now, darling, if there's one thing I want you to take away from this journey, it's the transformative power of gratitude. Gratitude is like a magic elixir that instantly raises your vibration and attracts more blessings into your life. You see, when we focus on what we're grateful for, we shift our energy from a state of lack to a state of abundance. We start to see the world through a lens of love and appreciation, and that, my friend, makes all the difference. Think about it. When you're feeling grateful, it's pretty hard to feel negative at the same time, right? Gratitude has this incredible ability to dissolve fear, worry, and doubt, leaving you feeling lighter, brighter, and more connected to the good stuff in life. So, how do you cultivate more gratitude in your daily life? It's simpler than you might think. Start by keeping a gratitude journal. Every day, write down 3 things you're grateful for, no matter how big or small. Y'all, we've covered so much ground together on this journey of raising our vibration. We've explored the ins and outs of energy, the power of our thoughts and beliefs, and the transformative practices that can help us live more vibrant, fulfilling lives. Life's gonna throw us some curveballs. That's just part of the ride. It's about learning how to navigate those challenges with grace, resilience, and a whole lot of heart. Remember, you are a powerful creator, and you have the ability to choose how you respond to whatever life throws your way. So as you move forward, embrace your beautiful, messy, perfectly imperfect self. Now go out there and shine your light, my friend. Share your gifts with the world, spread kindness like confetti, and never underestimate the power of a genuine smile. Remember, when you raise your vibration, you not only transform your own life, but you also uplift the energy of everyone around you. It's like a ripple effect, spreading waves of love, joy, and positivity throughout the universe. And when we all come together vibrating at a higher frequency, we create a more beautiful, harmonious, and peace-filled world for ourselves and for generations to come. So keep shining, keep rising, and never, ever stop believing in the magic that unfolds when you choose to raise your vibration. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey, y'all. I can't wait to see all the amazing things you create. Until next time, stay vibrant, my dears.